Come back to the channel, guys. You know, music is a beautiful thing. You understand what I say? So when music hits you, you feel no pain, don't? So the persons who follow me or who subscribe to the channel or who views the channel and who knows me personally know I am a massive fan of one Tanya Stephens. I think she is the greatest female writer, Jamaican writer of all time. Hands down. Nobody no come close to Tanya. And Tanya on her album Infallible, I have all her album, there's a song on it called No Means No. And when I listened to that song for the first time, I actually sensed and felt Tanya's pain in that song. But I never knew that song was possibly talking about her personal experience. You know, I came across an article, somebody sent me the link actually, just now, and it says popular Jamaican artist raped twice. Turns out to be Tanya Stephens. Soon come. Popular female Jamaican artist raped twice is the headline here. It says, entertainer Tanya Stephens is today being hailed as an hero on social media after opening up about being raped over 2 decades ago. In a lengthy and emotional post to her official Facebook page, the D Street singer told more than 11,000 followers how she was violated twice. First at age 17 and then at age 19. I was first raped at age 17 by someone many of you glorified. I wonder who? I watch you call him a good man, and I hear you demonize me for talking about rape too much, she wrote. Interesting. I didn't report it because I knew exactly what you all would say. Why would he rape me? He was popular and I was a nobody then. Plus he had proclaimed himself my big brother. I don't remember who that. And when I was told I was too young to be hanging out at studios, he came and reassured my big sister I would be safe. The post continued. You know, the statistics says that most of the victims of rape are raped by persons who them know. You understand? So this is staying true to form. Sad though. Stephens revealed that like many victims, she did not report the violations to the police, especially because one of the persons who violated her was the son of a law enforcer. Yeah, I can see the conflict of interest in that still, and I can see the thoughts behind that, you understand? But if you don't report it, you don't report, you understand what can be done then?
No.
Section says cutting herself. She chose instead to bury the memories, trying her best to move on with her life. The singer spoke in detail about her horrific experience and the struggles she faced with trying to come clean to family and friends about her ordeal. She explained how she went from feeling like a victim to cutting herself off from everyone, including family and friends who spoke ill of women or treated them wrongly. Yeah, you get that in a Tanya's music for real. You understand me? I say, so I guess her music is true to life. Well, I suppose you would have known that if you listen to her work, but we never know say it's so actually true and close to home and personal. You understand? Her post attracted hundreds of comments from fans. You know, I'm going to look for it and read it. After reading it, commended her for being brave. Who after reading it commended her for being brave? I am sure you opening up and putting it out there will help a lot of women who have been in similar situations, that there is a light at the end of the tunnel and that it is not just them, one post said. And that it did, as there were several users who also shared their stories about abuse. And I said, so one bigger the other. So, you understand? I was 17 too, but I was molested several times by several persons way before that. Wow! I too befriended my rapist, and he and his crew demonized me. To date, I can't form healthy relationships. Understandable. I can't find my center, one user commented. Efforts were made to find out from the singer why she decided to share her news at this point in her life, but was unable to reach her for comments. Sadly. So before I did the summary for this video, I actually went and sourced the article and I read it from start to end. Wow! Very deep, very revealing. You understand? Very sad. So I mean, I say Tanya has come a far way indeed. She said, well, it's 26 years now. And she went through so much though. Like you would have never know if you never read the article. The post really. You understand? She's a strong woman. She has helped many women. You understand? And I suppose her music is so closely linked to these two incidents that you won't believe. So you have to really sit down and listen to her work to really feel the pain. You understand what I mean? I say? So subliminally, she has portrayed this particular event in her life so many times, so expertly. You understand? Hence why she is the best writer as a female in the business. You understand? I know the situation persists and is deeply rooted among us, and persons don't talk because a number of reasons. Family members will tell them say nothing no go, so protect them family, run them what say them did want it, say them a whore, say them a this and that. You understand what I mean? And it's really sad. It's really sad. And so the man them know say that go happen if them do it and not now come out there most times. So them just do it. You understand? I mean, as I said, I don't really cuss about the whole on the channel, but Tanya Stephens in that song, no mean no. Summed it up perfectly. No means no. You understand? Go listen to this song. Go listen to this song. We have play a piece side for this Stevie that video, yeah. See stage said, ladies, strong up here, lift your head up. See? And just try not put yourself in a particular situation if you can. If you can avoid it. See? Because them boy are not easy. And men, no mean no umbre. I'm out.
Y'all wondering if I wanna do this. Is today the right day? Am I strong enough to go through this? Knowing those supposed to protect, but I betray me like Judas. Little friends as I have after this, I'll have a few less. Putting me on my attitude, the right look and the right dress. Yes, nobody believes me, cause they're treating me like an actress. Walking up the steps, feeling less secure by the minute.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.